In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a sales report from Zoho Books. If you're managing your business finances through Zoho Books, generating and downloading reports is a powerful way to analyze and track your sales data effectively. So, let's walk through the process together. First, when you've logged into Zoho Books, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find several modules. Locate and click on the one labeled Reports. This will open up a comprehensive list of report categories that Zoho Books offers, allowing you to access various financial insights seamlessly. Once you're in the Reports module, your next step is to choose a specific sales report that meets your needs. Zoho Books provides a variety of sales reports to cater to different analytical needs. For instance, you might want to look at sales by customer if you're analyzing customer-wise revenue. Alternatively, you may choose sales by item for inventory tracking, or perhaps sales summary for an overall picture of your sales activity. Choose the report that provides the insights you're most interested in exploring. After selecting your report type, it's crucial to define the date range for the data you want to analyze. Zoho Books offers flexible date selection options. You can choose a standard period like this month, or specify a custom date range if you're looking at a particular time frame. The drop-down menus make it straightforward to pick the dates, ensuring your report precisely reflects the period you're interested in. With your report type and date range set, you're ready to generate the report. Locate the Run Report button and click it. This action compiles your selections and generates the sales report with all the detailed information you need. The interface should be familiar and user-friendly, allowing you to view and make sense of your data effortlessly. Once you have reviewed the sales report on your screen, you might want to export it for further use or sharing. To do this, direct your focus to the top of the report, where you'll find the Export option. Click on this, and you'll see a choice of file formats to save your report. You can select from common formats such as PDF, XLSX, or CSV, depending on how you plan to use the report. For instance, if you need to share the report in a presentation, PDF might be ideal, while XLSX or CSV could be better for further data manipulation in a spreadsheet program. Finally, after choosing your desired format, click Export to download the report directly to your computer. This file now contains your tailored sales data, ready for review, analysis, or distribution as needed. And that's it. You've successfully navigated Zoho Books to download a sales report. This process should now empower you with valuable financial insights to drive smarter business decisions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on maximizing your Zoho Books experience.